Today I think I'm going to go and check out what I can do on this bike for a 0 to 60 time. I was looking online and I'm a bit curious. I couldn't find much for the 2017. The 2017 XT, which I have. I wanted to show you if I'm doing some 0 to 60 times. I now have a completely full tank of gas, which won't help. And then I'm also on pretty worn 50/50 Heidenau K60 Scouts. Yeah, 50/50 tires, so not even proper road tires, so that won't be ideal either, but let's give it a go. Let's see what we can do. I'm hoping my camera angle will pick up the speed well. Maybe a little bit more. If I start to tuck though, yeah. Hopefully this works. I won't be happy if I go do a whole bunch of runs and then go and look at the footage and find out that I can't even see the speed. Okay, I'm thinking I might do one somewhere right about here. That was the greatest start. Trying to find a bit of road that's flat. I don't want to gain an advantage by starting off downhill or have a bit of a disadvantage by going uphill. We'll just go. We'll continue. Maybe that's what I should make the video. How fast can a V-Strom 650 do 0 to 60 on a gravel road on 50/50 tires? Another thing I'm still getting to grips with, because this bike is relatively new to me. I've ridden it a decent amount, but still not enough to know it perfectly. I'm still not entirely sure of exactly where the power band is. Like, I know where it is. I know it's not a, I know it's not a inline 4 that pulls all of its power at high RPMs. I know it's pretty torquey down low, but what I mean is I'm not sure exactly at what RPM I should be changing gear. Like, probably not, taking it to red line, because it might actually be more beneficial to change at 7,000 RPM if that's kind of where the power band starts to drop off. So that's another thing that I probably won't be doing very well in this test. Here's a good little stretch of road. Alright, here we go. That was terrible. I'm actually having a hard time releasing the clutch properly on the start. I'm almost getting a bit of like bunching leather material on my gloves, which is almost catching the lever a little bit. Let's go right here, shall we? Oh, look at that big sign over there. Jesus saves. Ah, shit. Isn't it funny how that works? Sometimes I go out looking for gravel roads to find, and it's hard to find stuff. And then when I'm trying to do a 0 to 60 video where I don't want gravel roads, it's all I can find. Here's another run. Yeah, the bit I'm definitely struggling with is getting it to pull nice and keeping it right on that limit of, you know, just slipping the clutch enough to be pulling nice and hard, but without dumping it too hard. I need to go a bit faster, but yeah, it doesn't want to catch. Might have been my best one, I'm not sure. Still struggling to just get that start really punchy. Please tell me I'm catching the speeds here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to pull over and check to make sure I am. wheel was spinning there. I don't know what traction control setting would be best. I'm on the 1, which is the middle, so there's 0, 1 and 2, 0 being no traction control, 1 being a little bit and 2 being the most traction control. And I felt the rear spinning on that one.
Just as